2020 and CSE 2021.
My dear students and younger friends, ACE Engineering Academy welcomes you. Today, our subject is, our session belongs to preparation strategy, subject computer organization architecture for 2023 GATE exam. It is aimed to CSE branch GATE exam because the same subject is required for other branches also, but this session is aimed to CSE branch GATE syllabus only. At the same time, myself, V Ramaiah, faculty of ACE Engineering Academy, at the same time, ACE Engineering Academy welcomes you. Now, our priority order is like this. In our preparation strategy, our priority order is like this. Order of the topics. What does it mean? The syllabus given by IIT has been divided into number of topics in our style. It is nothing but the order of the topics. We have arranged the syllabus given by the IIT into 7 topics. We are going to discuss all those things one after another. Next, weightage of marks, not subject-wise, topic-wise. Next, reference books. At the same time, here I am going to mention one point clearly. Single textbook is not sufficient for covering entire syllabus of COA subject. That's why multiple textbooks are required. I am going to provide the clear information regarding those textbooks with author names and the title of the books. Next, finally, strategy. And I am going to inform you one more point, especially it is very, very, very important and a special point. An aspirant, GATE aspirant, a student who can able to solve 70% or more GATE questions while writing the GATE exam, along with other subjects, definitely he will secure 2-digit rank in All India rank. It is my assurance, definitely. That's why, as per my opinion and as per my experience, so many students are not interested to prepare COA subject because they feel it is complicated subject and most of the students will get minimum knowledge. That knowledge also useful for writing the university exam to get the pass marks are 50%. Because of that reason, most of the students are not interested for preparing this subject, especially while preparing GATE. But a student who can able to solve 70% or more questions while writing the exam at that time only, along with a decent performance in other subjects, definitely he can secure 2-digit rank. It is the importance and energy of the subject. It is the importance and energy of the subject. Okay, now? We are moving to next one. Here, observe these things once again. Order of topics. Already I told. Our subject has been divided into 7 topics in proper order because our session belongs to preparation strategy. Next, weightage marks, individual topic weightage marks. I am going to provide the weightage marks from last 7 years, 2016 to 2022, means from last 7 years. Next, reference books and strategy. Okay? Look here. computer organization and architecture chapters, means topics. Already I have told our subject has been divided into 7 topics in our style. First one, computer arithmetic. Next, memory organization, secondary memories, basic processor organization and design, pipeline organization, control unit design, I/O organization. I am going to provide subtopics for each topic, one after another. Now, right now we are discussing only basic information. Computer arithmetic. This topic is common between digital subject and the COA subject. At the same time, in this topic, more number of subtopics are closely related to COA subject. That's why we are going to handle the subject only in COA. At the same time, memory organization. It is very, 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 very important topic, because if you observe the previous GATE papers, definitely minimum 2 number of questions will be there only from memory organization. Not only in GATE exam, in any competitive exam, it is the energy of the topic, memory organization. Sometimes you may get 3 marks. In 2022, we had 3 questions only from this topic. And at the same time, if you are clear in memory organization, it becomes easy to understand operating system subject. In operating system, memory management unit was there. Here there is close relation between that memory management unit topic to the memory organization. Next, secondary memories. In this especially hard disk design, not advanced hard disk design. Advanced hard disks are designed with flash memory technique, simply known as SSD, solid state devices, but we are going to discuss magnetic hard disks. At the same time, if you are clear in secondary memories here, means in our subject, it becomes very easy to understand the operating system subject. And definitely we can expect a question from this. Next, basic processor organization and design. Here, a student who has studied either microprocessor 8085, 8086 or 8051 microcontroller in his or her college syllabus, this topic becomes easy to understand, because it is the interrelation between this topic to the microprocessor subject. Okay. It is also important. Here, in 90% cases, we expect a question from this. It is also not 1 mark question, 2 mark questions. Next, pipeline organization. It is very, very, very important. First preference goes to memory organization. Second preference goes to pipeline organization. Definitely we expect 1-2 mark question from pipeline organization. Next, control unit design. In this, it is not so important topic like the topics what we have discussed, but we expect a question frequently at the same time. In this, a student who can able to understand the design of control unit is having a chance to get a hardware related job, especially in Mumbai areas. Mumbai area, because Mumbai is the hardware hub. That is the importance of this topic. An aspirant, a student who wants to turn his lifestyle to hardware, definitely he should learn this topic, not only for writing GATE exam or any competitive exam. Next, I/O organization. It is also very closely related to operating system subject. And frequently we expect a question from this. Frequently we expect a question from these two topics. Definitely we expect minimum 2 questions from this. If situation demanded, 3 questions, 4 questions were also given in earlier papers, especially in 2011 GATE paper. In this, we can watch more than 10 questions only from COA subject. It is the weight, it is the importance and the energy of the subject at the same time. From memory organization in 2011 GATE paper, we had 3 questions. And in 2022 also, we had 3 questions, all are 2 marks questions. Okay. Next, come to next one. COA subject weightage marks chapter wise in GATE from 2016 to 2022. Please watch carefully. Watch this one carefully. We are going to discuss all those things. Before that, please watch these things carefully. Okay, now come here. COA subject weightage marks chapter wise in GATE from 2016 to 2022. Means from last 7 years. 5 minutes ago already I told the same information. We are going to discuss the weightage of our subject, not only subject wise, chapter wise, since 2016. Okay. Computer arithmetic first topic. 2016, 2 sets are there. 1 question here, no question. 2017, 1 question in each paper. 2018, single set, 1 question. 2019, unfortunately there was no question. Next, 2020, set 1, 1 question, set 1, only 1 question. In 2020 also, single set was there. Next, 2021, 2 sets are there and 2 questions in each set. 2022, again 2 questions. It is the importance of the computer arithmetic topic. If you are clear in some points, especially number system, data representation, in digital subject, this one becomes very easy to understand. Okay? Means, after watching all these, definitely we expect minimum 1 question. Because if you observe 2021-22, 2 questions, not only in GATE, in ISRO, ISRO, it is very, for writing ISRO exam, it is very important topic. Next, come to memory organization. 2016, 1 question and 1 question. 2 sets are there. 2017, again 2 sets. Here, look here, 2 questions, but here 3 questions. Next, 2018, 2 and 3. Here 3. 2020 also 3. 2019 3. 2023. Unfortunately, in 2021, set 1 only 1 question, but set 2 2 questions, and 2022 3 questions. Means definitely we expect minimum 2 questions only from memory organization. It is the importance in energy. If we prepare well memory organization topic, definitely we will get minimum 4 marks. 2 questions means, in most cases, it would be 2 marks question. Next, secondary memories. Already I told, this topic is common between our COA subject and operating system at the same time. If you are clear in COA subject concept, in secondary memory topic, it becomes easy to understand memory organization because their virtual memory is there. Virtual memory is there. That topic is the common between our subjects. Next, here we expect question frequently here and here. But with the help of this concept, what you have learned from COA subject, it is possible to solve the questions which are very closely relative to operating system subject. It is the interrelation. Next, basic processor organization and design. Already I told a student who is having microprocessor subject knowledge, that student can easily understand and easily, that aspirant can easily able to solve the question. Here we are going to discuss subtopics also. There you can able to understand who had studied, a student who had studied 8085 or 8086 microprocessor subject, that student can easily understand my words. We are going to discuss all these topics in detail. Next, in this, if you watch the weightage of basic processor organization and design, 2016, set 2, 2 questions, 17, set 1, 2 questions, 18, 2 questions, 20, 2 questions, 21, 22, 21, set 1, 1 question, set 2 and 22. Unfortunately, there was no question, but there is 90% chance to get question from this. Next, pipeline organization. Already I told, it is very, 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 very important topic. In this, 2016 set 1, 1, 2016 set 2, 2 questions, except in 2017 set 2, 2019 set 1, definitely we had one question, minimum one question in all papers. That's why there is 99% chance to get a question from pipeline organization, that also 2 marks question. Next, control unit design. Already informed the same earlier. We expect question frequently, but it is a design oriented topic. A student who is having knowledge on this, who understand this one, he can easily get the job in hardware field, design oriented field. Next, we had questions in 2017 and 2020. Okay, next, come to last one, IO organization. In this 2016, set 1, 1 question. Next, unfortunately, there was no question from here to here. Again, 2020, 1 question. In 2021, set 2, 1 question, 2 mark question. In 2022, it is 1 mark question. It is the importance and energy of each and every topic. So final conclusion is like this. My conclusion, first 5 topics are energetic over last 2 topics. Our session belongs to preparation strategy. That's why while preparing this subject, you should concentrate more on first 5 topics. Next, look here. Recommended books for COA subject. Before this, look here. What we discussed here, order of topics, we completed. Next, weightage marks. Already it was also completed. Next one, reference books. Next, strategy. Look here. Watch this one clearly. Watch reference books. Watch this one clearly. Watch reference books. Okay, first one, computer arithmetic. Already I told, single textbook is not sufficient to cover entire subject syllabus at the same time. One more point. Do not expect 100% concept from any faculty regarding any subject, because a faculty can provide maximum 95% concepts. But here, as per my observation, some students are there. Those students are interested to learn pin to pin each and every point at the same time. Because of that reason, I am going to provide the right textbook. I am going to recommend the right textbook. It helps to that student to get 100% clarity. Okay. Any student can get maximum 95% conceptual clarity from any faculty regarding any subject. That's why I'm going to provide the textbooks. Those students who don't have economical caliber for purchasing these, already we know the online market right now. So many textbooks, PDF copies are available online. So I suggest those students better to go through online. But as per my opinion, sincere opinion, if you are having economical caliber situation, economical situation for purchasing textbook, especially you should purchase this textbook and Morris Mano, because I am going to explain each and every point clearly. Look here. First of all, computer arithmetic. For this, Karl Hamacher, William Stallings. According to my opinion, Karl Hamacher, excellent textbook. Most of the previous GATE questions were given from only Karl Hamacher directly. It is the importance of Karl Hamacher textbook. At the same time, William Stallings. It is also good book, but compared to William Stallings, Karl Hamacher, excellent textbook for computer arithmetic topic. We are going to discuss the title of the book also in next. Memory organization. Already we discussed, it is very important topic in this. Nicholas Carter, Paul Chaudhary. Nicholas Carter, excellent textbook it is. I seriously recommend most of the students who are having economical caliber, better to purchase this textbook. Cost is around about 400 rupees, but most of the previous GATE questions are directly given from this, and the concept provided by this textbook is sufficient for understanding memory organization, not only understanding, for solving previous GATE questions, memory organization as well pipeline organization. It is the importance of this textbook. Excellent textbook it is. Here no textbook covers the entire GATE syllabus, especially for these two topics, pipeline organization, memory organization. Because of that reason, better to purchase this. If economical situation is not there, then go through online platform. Next, secondary memories. Karl Hamacher or William Stallings. One of these two is sufficient. Next, basic processor organization and design. To understand this, already we discussed this topic is very closer to the microprocessor. That's why, first of all, to understand this, first to read Morris Mano textbook. It gives basic knowledge. But that knowledge is not sufficient to solve previous GATE questions. With the help of that knowledge, you can easily understand the information from Karl Hamacher. Karl Hamacher textbook. Next, pipeline organization. Already we discussed Nicholas Carter. Control unit design, either Nicholas Carter, Maurice Mano, Paul Chaudhary. Next, IO organization, Maurice Mano. You remember one point. Maurice Mano textbook knowledge is sufficient for solving gate questions only from IO organization. But Maurice Mano textbook provides excellent clarity on basic concept for understanding remaining topics. That's why what I am going to suggest is, either it is recommendation or suggestion, better to purchase Maurice Mano textbook and Nicholas Carter. Because Maurice Mano textbook provides basic knowledge and Nicholas Carter textbook provides the information regarding previous gate solutions easily and with a new concept also. Okay, na? Next. Title of the textbook. Title of the textbook. Watch this one. Karl Hammacher. What about the title of the textbook? Computer organization. Next, Nicholas Carter, computer architecture. Next, Maurice Mano, computer system architecture. Better to purchase third edition. Better to purchase third edition. Next, William Stallings, computer organization and architecture. Better to purchase the 6th edition, old edition, because in old edition, valuable information is there. In recent editions, some information has been removed, but for understanding our subject, old information is essential, because already we know old is gold. Next, Paul Chaudhary, computer organization and design. Okay, na? Now look here. Already we discussed all those things. Our subject syllabus is divided into 7 topics: computer arithmetic, memory organization, secondary memories, basic processor organization design, pipeline organization, control unit design, IO organization. In this, we are going to discuss subtopics because our session is preparation strategy, how to prepare COA subject. Before this, which subject is better to prepare to get clarity in this preparation? Before this, which subject is better to complete the preparation to get clarity in this? Now look here. First topic, computer arithmetic. Already I told this topic is common between digital subject and COA subject. In this, first of all, you should prepare, understand what about first one, number system. Number system, it is very, very, very important. How to convert one system to another system, decimal to other systems, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, like that, decimal to any base system, and other systems to decimal system, and at the same time, shortest technique while making conversion, and second one, data representation. after completion of this one, next, in this, what is signed data, what is unsigned data, how many representations are there for signed data? Those are nothing but signed magnitude representation, signed ones complement representation, signed twos complement representation, demerits in signed magnitude and signed ones complement notations, and merits of signed twos complement notation over signed magnitude and signed ones complement notations, all this. Along with this, what is overflow? Overflow in signed data. Here, after getting clarity in signed twos complement notation in data representation, then only prepare overflow. Otherwise, if you don't have clarity here in first two, it is impossible to understand the third topic, and it is very, very, very important topic. We expect question from this. In 2022 also we had one question. In tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss important concepts. There, we discuss once again clearly. Next, fourth one. Different multiplication techniques performed by the basic processor. Those are nothing but repetitive addition, shift and add technique, Booth's multiplication, all this. In this, especially Booth's algorithm, technique for performing multiplication. Next, after completion of these four, then only make an U-turn to floating data representation. Floating data representation. In this, especially IEEE standards for representing floating data, it is very, 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 very important. IEEE standards for representing floating data. Okay, next. Look ahead, carry adder or carry look ahead. Carry, look ahead, generator, simply CLG, generator, and adder. These are nothing but CLG and CLA. Here, to prepare this, first of all, it is better to refer combination circuit topic in digital subject. First, you should complete the combinational circuit topic in digital subject. What is full adder? What is parallel adder? What is serial adder? What is ripple carry adder? All those things. Later, better to come here. Then only you will get 100% clarity in this. These are the subtopics in first one, in computer arithmetic. Okay, move to next one. Memory organization. Memory organization. Already I told it is very, 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 very important topic. Definitely we can expect minimum 2 questions from this. In this, what about subtopics? if you want to understand the topic well, preparation is very, very, very important. And to prepare well, our strategy is very, very, very important. Strategy means you should apply our techniques in proper order while preparing the topic. First one, memory basics. Memory basics. What is memory? What is memory space definition? Memory space means workspace, working area, working ground, number of memory registers into capacity of one register. It is the primary definition. Secondary definition, storage device. Not only that one, memory basics, how to address a memory by the basic processor means it is nothing but memory addressing, memory basics, next memory addressing. What about next one? After learning this one and this one, then only go for memory design. To know the design of memory, first you should know the different memories, means memory classification, means it is closely related to memory classification. We use different memories in our digital computer for different purposes. Electronic memory, magnetic memory, optical memory. Electronic memories are nothing but static memory, dynamic memory, and flash memory, example, pen drive. Magnetic memories are nothing but magnetic hard disks, floppy, magnetic tape. Optical memories are nothing but CD and DVD. It is the classification. In this, what is the procedure to design electronic memory? Means how to design static memory and how to design dynamic memory and how to design magnetic hard disk. Along with these, how to design ROM, read-only memory, all these. Memory design covers all these topics. Next. Later, very, very, very important, memory hierarchy. In this hierarchy, memory hierarchy, in digital computer, we use different memories for different functions. First, processor tries to communicate with cache memory because cache memory is the fastest memory. Why? Because it is the fastest memory. When target word is available in cache memory, means searched word is available in cache memory, processor can read that word at shortest time, means it improves the system performance. If it is not there, means we consider system comes to conclusion, miss has occurred when word is not available. When word is available, system comes to one conclusion, hit has occurred. When hit has occurred, no other memories are involved in the operation and program can be executed at fastest rate, means it upgrades the system performance. So, when target word is not available in cache memory, then processor visits main memory. It is in proper order. How processor can access the different memories? It is nothing but memory hierarchy. Next. Cache memory concept. What is level 1 cache memory? What is level 2 cache memory? What is locality reference? What is spatial? What is temporal? All these things. Next. Different mapping techniques. These are very, 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 very important. Different mapping techniques. used in cache memory design. Those are nothing but direct mapping technique, block set associative map technique, and fully associative map technique. What about the merits and demerits of all these mapping techniques? Definitely we expect a question from this. After completion of memory hierarchy and cache memory concept, then only prepare this one. In this, you should keep more focus. While learning this one, you should keep more focus on different misses to be occurred in mapping techniques. Misses to be occurred. In different mapping techniques. Those misses are nothing but what is compulsory miss? Compulsory miss is also known as cold miss. Next, what is capacity miss and what is conflict miss? Those are important. We had questions 4-5 times only on misses. Next, different block replacement techniques, also known as block replacement algorithms. In this, what is first in, first out, LRU, least recently used technique, next optimal technique, and this concept also very closer to the operating system subject. There, title is page replacement algorithm. Here, title is block replacement algorithm. Okay, na? Next. Secondary memories, third topic. After completion of second topic, immediately you should prepare for secondary memories because it is the interrelation. It is the interrelation. In this, first of all, what about first one? What about the role of secondary memories? It is very, very, very important. It is very, very, very important. Role of secondary memories in a system. We are going to purchase larger size secondary memories. Magnetic and optical memories are nothing but secondary memories. Why we are going to purchase larger size secondary memories and smaller size primary memories? Primary memory means all electronic memories are known as primary memories. Processor directly speaks to primary memory directly. Processor can directly communicate with primary memory, but processor is unable to communicate directly with the secondary memory because secondary memories are operated with head and motor. Those operational time is in millisecond. Because of that reason, those are considered as secondary memories. DMA controller is used to transfer the data from secondary memories to the primary memory. Processor is not interested to communicate with secondary memories because processor can perform the operation. Processor can complete the operation in micro or nanosecond, but secondary memories cannot supply the words in micro nanoseconds. They can supply the words only in milliseconds time. Role of secondary memories. Simply these are used to store bulk size of data. And cheapest. Next. Second one, especially magnetic surface memory operation. It is very, very, very important. To operate one magnetic surface, what is the procedure? What is the role of head? And what is the role of motor? What is seek time? And what is rotational delay? You should understand all those. After understanding this one, then only come to hard disk, not advanced hard disks, magnetic hard disk. It is very, very, very important. It is very, very, very important in entire topic. Okay. In hard disk, especially cylinder organization, cylinder organization, because we had excellent questions only on this concept, cylinder organization. Please watch this. Next. What about next one? Pipeline organization. Already we discussed. It is very, 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 very important and powerful. We expect minimum 1, 2 more question. In this, first you understand what is non-pipeline operation. Later, what is pipeline operation? What is non-pipeline and what is pipeline operation? Next, what is speed up? Speed up is nothing but while executing a program, amount of time required for non-pipeline operation divided by amount of time required for pipeline operation. S means speed up, Tn by Tp. What is Tn? Non-pipeline time. What is Tp? Pipeline time for executing the same program. Later, what about next one? Efficiency of the pipeline. Efficiency of the pipeline processor. And merits and demerits, pipeline processor, merits and demerits at the same time. Different conflicts to be occurred. Different conflicts to be occurred. In a pipeline processor, different conflicts to be occurred in a pipeline processor while executing a program. Processor is also known as CPU. In this, what is resource conflict, what is data dependency conflict, and what is branch conflict. Definitely we expect a question from these conflicts, and compared to remaining subtopics, it is very, 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 very important subtopic. Okay, next. Control unit design. In this, first of all, understand the difference between hardwired control unit? What is hardwired control unit? What is hardwired control unit? Means hardwired control unit characteristics. Next, what is microprogrammed control unit characteristics? These two are very, 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 very important. What is hardwired control unit? How to design hardwired control unit, and how to design microprogrammed control unit? Which one is costliest? And what about the application of hardwired control unit and microprogrammed control unit? Along with these, in this, better to read what is a RISC processor, full name, reduced instruction set computer, and what is a RISC processor? What is full name for RISC? Reduced instruction set computer, reduced instruction set computer, and what is CISC processor? Complex instruction set computer, complex instruction set computer. Difference between these two. We expect a question from sixth topic, control unit design, either from control unit design, means hardwired control unit design, or RISC and CISC difference. Okay? Next. Finally, I/O organization. In this, first you understand, you get knowledge on I/O devices. What is full name for I/O device? Input and output devices. In a system, memory is there, keyboard is there, mouse is there, speaker is there, printer is there, scanner is there. Memory is used to store programs and data, and remaining devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, speaker, these are known as I/O devices. I/O devices is nothing but the combination of input and output devices. Input devices are used to supply the data to the processor. CPU uses input devices to perform reading operation. At the same time, CPU uses output devices to perform writing operation. Combination of input and output device is known as I/O device. Okay, role of I/O devices in a system. Next, how to connect I/O devices to the processor. I/O devices connection. Means memory mapped I/O and I/O mapped I/O. After making connection, how to communicate the processor, how to communicate the system with I/O devices, means how data can be transferred between I/O devices and main memory. Sometimes I/O devices are also known as, sometimes secondary memories are also known as I/O devices. In this, different techniques are like this: programmed I/O, interrupt driven I/O, and DMA. What is programmed I/O, and what is interrupt driven I/O, and what is DMA? What about the merit of DMA over programmed I/O and interrupt driven I/O? At the same time, application of DMA, application of programmed I/O, and application of interrupt driven I/O. Simply merits and demerits of these three. And in these three, compared to remaining all topics. In this topic, DMA control is very, 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 very important. In 2022, we had one question only on DMA. In 2021 paper, we had one question only on DMA. In earlier GATE papers also, we had questions only on DMA. Here, we have completed analysis of each and every topic and preparation strategy, how to prepare. Before going to close today's session, I am going to bring one point clearly. First of all, complete the preparation of digital subject, then only go through COA subject. It is the interrelation between digital subject and this one. Especially, first to complete number system data representation in digital subject, later logic gates, later combination circuits, then only come to this one. Without preparing those topics, if you come directly to this, you may feel difficulty in some points. That's why. Okay. In next session, in tomorrow, we are going to discuss important concepts. Thank you very much. And I am thankful to our ACE Engineering Academy for providing this opportunity.
You have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.
My name is Kuldeep. I have done my BTech from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, which is situated in Delhi, and I have secured All India Rank 1 in ESE 2021 from E&T branch. I took ACE Postal Course, Mains Test Series and Interview Guidance Program in ESE 2020 and ESE 2021.